Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I'm here to do a flip through of set 2 of the 38 Distressed Horizontal Everyday Words series. These 38 words come in 8 different colors and 4 different sizes, and they have a lot of bonus labels and tags. And yeah, when all is said and done, it's 64 pages, which is a lot of pages. However, if you're like me, I like to print once and then I just have every color, every size I would need for a long time and not be in the middle of a project wishing I had something that I didn't. So that's why I've made it the way I did. First, we start with turquoise border, tiny with really beautiful tags, just ready to be embellished. And as you can see, this is the small size. A lot of these words, or really all of the words, are really good to use throughout the entire year. We have things like thoughtful and encourage, content, beautiful, memories, lovely, journey, journal, kind, happy, grateful. Yeah, so really great everyday words. Then we have size medium. They are all outlined, as you can see, with a really thin black border or a grayish border. So the scan and cut, if you use that, is great with these. And these are the large size. Beautiful labels. And then we have red, tiny, small, medium 1 and medium 2, and then large. There's 4 large pages for each color. So it's 2, there's large 3 and large 4 with some really beautiful labels again. Then we have purple, tiny, small, medium, and large. And some really beautiful labels. Pink, medium. And as you can see, the way I designed these, they can be cut on this black border, or you can cut in closer to this pink border, or you can even cut in between these 2 borders, or I've left enough room, you could actually cut out the pink borders entirely and just have the background and the words. So there's lots of options for you there as well. Sorry, this paper's thick and kind of hard to get a hold of sometimes. And there's some beautiful pink labels. And we move on to green. I'm not sure if you can pick this one up, but it has some really beautiful, just faint, like a damask pattern on them. Green, small, medium, and large. Ending with some really beautiful labels again. Then we have blue. That's just from my printer. I'm not sure what that is, but it's not in the digital. Some beautiful labels. And then we have black. Now that's actually in the wrong place. Just hold that. We'll get back to that one, sorry. So this is black, yes, but no background in the tiny. So this can be printed on any color paper, tea stain paper, scrapbook paper, basically whatever background you want on your word labels, that's what you would print it on. You could always cut these tags out and just print this page twice and scan it so you have the small words all on one page, 2 sets of them, if that makes sense. And then you can save that on your computer, and then you can just print out this size, for example, on any color anytime you want. Hope that made sense. That's small, medium, large, and ending with some pretty labels. And then we have black again, but this time with the creamy background. Some really nice foliage tags. Small, medium, large, and the last page, some really cool labels. And I just want to show you, so this is set 2 in the creamy vintage color. Set 1 is with the vintage yellow sort of undertones, and I just want to show you the difference because it's hard to see on screen sometimes. This is what we were just looking through. This is set 2, the creamy vintage, and there's the exact same page, obviously with different bonus images, but in the yellow, vintage yellow undertones. So you can kind of see there the difference. It's slight, but there is a difference. So yeah, so that is the set 2 of the 38 Distressed Horizontal Every Word series. The listing for it is in my Etsy shop, and you can find that down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.